Hello! Welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel. I don't know what you're doing, but hi! My name is Kenzie May. I like to do my makeup, and I post it over on TikTok. I recently started consistently posting my videos here on YouTube. I'm trying to keep up with it. If you're not following me over on TikTok, then you probably are not aware that I am going back into doing my requested looks. So if you want to request a look, please hop over to TikTok and request over there. The requested look that I am doing today, I will put it here, is blue sparkles. So I'm not just going to slap blue glitter on my eyes, I'm actually going to do a look with it. If you watched my last video, then this palette is probably familiar a little bit. I will be using the 35S Sweet Oasis palette by Morphe, and I will be creating a blue teal look with it. So if you're interested and would like to know what I'm going to be doing with this blue sparkles, keep watching. I got changed because it's like 90 degrees outside and my vanity doesn't have any circulation, so it's just hot in here. So I got changed. I guess that this is in preparation for the color that I'm going to put on my eye. Now, I showed you guys this palette in my last video. I am just in love with this. If you follow me over on TikTok, then you probably already saw a look that I did with this palette, so it is already used. I did like a pink and underneath was teal, but we're going for a straight up teal eye today, which is completely different. So let's just get right into it. To start in the outer corner, I'm going to go into this shade called Snorkel Sesh and just put that more migrating towards the outer corner of my eye, but kind of feathering it in towards the inner corner. To deepen that blue a little more, I am going to be going into this darker teal shade. It is called Infinity Pool, and just putting that on the outer corners of my eye. Now to just deepen that outer corner a little more, I will be going into this darker teal shade called Secret Lagoon. Now, just because I feel like I've lost Snorkel Sesh in all of that deeper blue, I am going to be using a clean fluffy brush and going back in there and just lightening the edge. Taking that fluffy brush that has that darker shade on it, I'm going to just blend this out a little more. With the brush that I was using for the lighter shade, I will be going into Infinity Pool and just trying to bring out that blue color. And I will be dipping back into Secret Lagoon with this blending brush that has the darker shade on it and just smoking out that outer corner. I know it seems like we're just repeating the first 3 steps, but sometimes that's what eyeshadow is just repeating your steps. Like I did with the eyeshadow going from lightest to darkest, I will be going from darkest to lightest with the shimmery shades. To start, I will be going into this darker, it's the darkest of the sparklies, blue shade called Reef Dive, and I'm just going to put that on the middle to outer edge of my eyelid. And taking that same brush, I'm just going to wipe it off in my makeup brush. What is it even called? It doesn't even have a thing on it. This makeup brush washer, I don't know, it takes off eyeshadow in between shades so you're not mixing your colors. I like it. I use it all the time. To go on the inner corner towards the middle, we're going to be using this shade called Coastline Cruise and just putting that on the lid. Finally, to lighten up that inner corner, I will be going into this light teal shade called Island Hop. For my eyeliner, I will be using the Bite Beauty Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Upswing, which is black. And just doing my eyeliner. Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm going to take these pads off and do my base, and I will be right back. So I did my base, and I feel like there's not enough glitter. So I am going to be using the xoxox glitter palette. I got it off of Amazon, the Rose Boom, and I'm going to be using this teal shade that's right, this teal shade right here. I know that appears super blue, but on the eyes it's actually purple, but I'm going to be using this teal. Now that is applied, I will be going into my cream eyeliner, which is the MAC PowerPoint eye pencil in the shade Engraved. It is a black, and if you watched my last video, this is literally just, if you watched my last video, I'm sorry. It is a black eyeliner. I was really happy to find it when I found it, and I'll just be putting that on my waterline. To smoke out my lower lash line, I will not be translating the blue down to the lower lash line. I'm just going to be taking this pencil brush that I typically use to smudge my bottom eyeliner and just smudge my bottom eyeliner to create a smoky type effect. Per usual, for my mascara, I will be using the Benefit Roller Lash mascara and just coating my eyelashes. Next, I'm just going to highlight with my Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in the shade Dare to Divulge, and just putting that on the lower part of my inner corners and on my eyebrows. Now for my lashes, I will be using my Cala 3D Faux Mink lashes, again, in my last video. But I'm going to take one of these out, cut it off, we'll cut it to my eye length, and then I will glue it on, and yeah. So we're just going to fast forward through all that because you guys have already seen how I apply my eyelashes. For my lippy today, I will be going in with the usual suspects, the MAC lip pencil in Soar and the NYX Lip Lingerie XXL in the shade Strip Down. Finally, to set my face, I will be taking my Urban Decay All all-nighter setting spray and just dousing my face in some setting spray and then putting on highlighter on my cheekbones and on my nose, and then I will come back for the outro.
Knockout. You win.
This is the final look for the blue glittery. I don't know if that's glittery enough. I like it. I like it. I feel like I look like Dua Lipa. If you guys have not already, feel free to head on over to my TikTok. I currently have 21.8 thousand of you guys over there. It might be 21.9 by now. I haven't checked. Anyways, if you're feeling like hopping over to TikTok, you might as well hop on over to Instagram and Snapchat. All of my handles are at lil_bb511. That's LIL_BBY511. I do post daily content and makeup looks on TikTok, so if you would like to see that, head on over to my TikTok and follow me over there too. If you have not already, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Sound off down below what you would like me to do next. I have some video ideas going on in my brain, but I would love to know what you guys would like to see. Also, sound off down below if you tried this look. Tag me anywhere. I will try my best to see it. TikTok has done a very good job of hiding things from me. So I had a mom duet me with her kid, like her daughter did my makeup look, and I didn't know until a month after it was posted because TikTok just decided to hide it from me. So literally made my whole heart happy and my whole day when I saw that. That's it for today's video. I hope that you have a great night, day, week, whenever you're watching this. Have a great whatever. Unless you're going through something terrible, then I'm sorry.